Hello guys, so we're gonna make a little puppet. A little puppet of these. You need some markers, we need some colored skin and some black. And we also need these scissors. So first you need first you have to draw your character. You draw with a head, a tiny head, and the little body. I'm gonna make a princess. One little dupe, and I'm gonna make a blonde hair after. And let's put some little hair down here, and let's put a princess crown, and let's do a face. Now I'm gonna make a little smile, a little dupe of a nose, some little dots on her cheeks, and let's decorate her now. So let's get some blue for her eyes. That's cute. And I always start with the skin color. Okay, let's color her with this light skin. Now, I'm going to get yellow for her hair. I'm going to use this yellow for a pencil. So you have to use it very carefully. Then we'll make a hole. Perfect. Good. Now, I'm going to get a blue dress for her. Okay. Now I'm going to get some more yellow for her crown. Now we need some more black for your legs and hands. Let's make her little hands. Yeah. Let's make her holding something. She's gonna hold a little ball. Now, let's color her with some of this. So, we can skin color back. And I'm gonna make her ball with a blue ball. And now we have to cut her out with scissors.
I can cut it.
No, you can't. I just want to make a mold like that.
It's like a shadow.
Now we have to get these things so we can make it like a puppet. And now we need some sticky tape too.
Put it into your face.
There. Stick that on carefully. Hello. That's how we make puppets. Goodbye.